Green parrots, diverse in species, exhibit remarkable intelligence, often mimicking human speech. Highly social, they form tight-knit flocks and engage in intricate behaviors like preening and playing. Vital to ecosystems, they disperse seeds, aiding in forest regeneration. However, many face threats from habitat loss and the pet trade. Conservation efforts are crucial for preserving these intelligent and charismatic birds, ensuring their continued presence in the world's tropical and subtropical regions.